What's up guys, Kyo here. Today we'll be covering the Ymdk 84. Now this is not the Ymdk 84. This is the Tofu 64. The Ymdk 84 I'm covering is no longer in my possession, as this was a gift keyboard to a good friend of mine. Now I lost a lot of footage because I'm a dumb baka and I did not realize I canceled my own recording by hitting the spacebar. And my current favorite linears are on this keyboard. So scuff footage and improv aside, this was a nice budget build to work on for my first keyboard stream. This is a 75% keyboard kit from Ymdk, and this is a very budget friendly bare bones kit. A compact 75% board, and gotta love that RGB underglow. I also added in some screw-in stabilizers and a PCB foam from the same store. Anyways, keeping the keyboard budget friendly, we went with these Akko Ocean Blues, Lubed, Glorious G-lube, and GPL 105 on the springs. And for the stabilizers, we went with Krytox G205g0 and Permatex Dielectric grease on the wires. And we also Holee Modded the spacebar. Standard stuff. So the keycap choice I went with were the Artifact Bloom keycaps from Drop in the Carnival colorway. A very nice pink and blue PBT keycap set. Now these keycaps were the keycaps that I used on the stream and the typing test. So let's drop a scuffed sound test right about now. Now, I did say scuff sound test, did I not? For a budget build, I thought this was coming along very well. However, to keep it a surprise, I didn't send this keyboard with these keycaps to my friend. I instead went with this set from Amazon that she absolutely adored. And these were the milk cover keycaps. These were from Gliging, and these are very cheap PBT keycaps. But cheap doesn't mean bad. In fact, this still matches the pink and blue aesthetic I was going for during this keyboard build. Let's not talk about the arrow keys. So I swapped the keycaps and sent over the board, and one shipping transaction later, and she received the keyboard. I didn't record the reaction call, but I was so glad that she loves the keyboard. This keyboard is special because this was not only my first live stream keyboard, this was a friend who was there when I started even having an interest at all in DIY keyboards. So I was honored to surprise her with a custom keyboard of her own. I wish I could have used more footage from the live stream, but it is what it is. Next time, we're going to be covering this keyboard here. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, I stream all my keyboard related content on Twitch, and I'll play some random games here and there. Lately, it's been Final Fantasy XIV. But Kote represent, let's go! Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I hope to catch some of you on my live stream. And if not, I'll see you next time. Peace!